Hello everyone, this is a GoPro Hero 7 White out-of-box review. Now we started my previous video. If you haven't, you probably you can check it out. I'm sorry. Anyway, in this video, I'm reviewing the Hero 7 White. Now a lot of people out there have been saying that the Hero 7 White sucks, it's crap, it's no good. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not the case. Now, for those of you who are rich, famous people who are not on a budget, who work full-time, we're able to afford a nice Hero 7 Black, then by all means go for that. But if you're like me and you're on budget and your job pays you almost nothing at the current time position, then Hero 7 White is a good thing to go to. It's a good budget GoPro. Now, it does have a few bugs that are worth working out, including the fact that the quality set by default isn't the best. It's best to go on the GoPro app or on the GoPro itself and set the quality to whatever makes you feel comfortable. Now, I've only had this thing for a day, and I've already found it pretty useful. Now, there's a few things I saw at first that I thought were kind of interesting. Like, I thought that this right here was a microphone, but it's really the red light indicator that it's recording. Since this is the first LCD screen modernized GoPro I've ever used, since I've always used a Hero 3 film and stuff, I wasn't quite used to this LCD screen one. And the mode button was what turns it on and off. And also, that's what you can cycle through the options to record video or take photo. And overall, it looks pretty modern. Looks pretty nice. You know, I know it's not the latest and greatest GoPro out there, but for a budget camera, this is a really good thing to go for. Now, I just see on the box that this came in, that I actually unboxed, it says made for iPhone and iPad. Now, you can still edit on a computer like a Mac or a PC, but it's designed to be edited on like an iPad Pro or an iPhone 10 or whatever. So it means that you can indeed use this to edit in decent YouTube quality on an iPad, which is good because I have an iPad Pro 11-inch, which I just reviewed yesterday. I just put up the video today, and I edited the entire video on my iPad Pro. I know it's shot on the phone on an iPhone 8 Plus, but the quality is pretty good. I mean, it's really worth like the laptop money. And it's in a open up case. You know, the Hero 7. I will do a compare and contrast at some point in time. Has a case that's completely concealed except for the skeleton door. This is back in the older days of GoPro, 2012, 2013, when the GoPros were a little more brand new, and they were the first three. This is the third GoPro to come out, basically, long story short. And the reason why this is so boxed up and this one isn't is because this camera is physically made to be waterproof. So you can use this thing, you know, you can go underwater with this thing. Now, it does have a depth limit of 33 feet, as you see right there. Now, that just means you can't, because of the pressure and everything, you can't go any deeper than 33 feet. Kind of gives you a little idea on how deep you can go, which is also 10 meters. Now take note that this box doesn't come with everything you need. It only comes with a skeleton, with that little case, the think-a-bob, I forget what that is. A little screw, a mount, and a few other things, plus it has a USB Type-C USB Type-C USB cable for importing your laptop. Now, technically, this right here is new to go for GoPro. Now, if the iPad Pro has a USB Type-C cable, which really shows that they're not kidding when it says it's made for iPhone and iPad. This is the original looking GoPro USB head design. Looks pretty nice, actually. So you technically could hook up to a laptop like my Dell XPS or your iPad. Personally, I use a card reader for importing from GoPro footage through SD micro SD to the SD reader using this adapter that came with the SD card, SanDisk, and I find it a lot useful. You could also import using the GoPro app, but I find the micro SD to SD adapter a little more useful. The case. Now I'm going to open up this slot where the SD card, micro SD, and the port, the USB Type-C port exist in. Now I have tried using USB Type-C port to import from here to my iPad, but it doesn't work. So I just take out the SD card, shove it in my adapter, shove it in my card reader, and then hook up to my iPad, and then it imports right from the Photos app. And I find that a lot more useful than using the GoPro app. Don't tell me honestly why. I just have my own way of thinking that. Nice clean lens. Just do have to wipe it off though. I see it's a little dirty right there from me touching it. Same thing with that. Now you're probably saying, well, "Why don't you turn it on? Why don't you show us how you use it?" Well, today's your lucky day. Okay, I have the GoPro right here. I might have to turn it on, turn it on. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. There we go. It's just probably just floating over something. I don't know. So I can't really tell the camera. So as you see, it's kind of like a camcorder. Those of you who are like me who are new to the whole LCD thing, it's kind of like a camcorder. Like you can actually vlog with this thing, you know. And it makes a pretty good vlogging camera. I mean, the quality is okay. This is, I know for a $199 camera, it's kind of not the best out there, but it's better than using a Contour or some other camera. The quality on this camera is actually not much different from that of a Contour Roam 2. But yeah, I'm sure you can set that to a higher quality. The battery is at 56%. I know that for a $199 camera, it's not the most expensive camera out there, so it's not, you know, the best battery life. I would have gone for a black, but you know, I decided not to. There isn't much you can do with this. You know, you see, you got preferences, you got music, blah blah blah, lock, orientation lock. That's what that is. So yeah, swipe up. Now I don't know. This is my second day using this, but I don't know exactly how to get the quality set. I'm assuming that's something you can do with the GoPro app, which you can pair. Now I'm gonna be editing this on my iPhone, so if I do a video comparison, it may not be in the best quality. I could use my iPad Pro, but I don't really want to add too much on that. I want to save that for like my other channel. But anyway, I mean, this is really if you're coming from an old school GoPro like a Hero 4 or a Hero 3 to a Hero 7, this is really new, and it's somewhat to get used to. But if you're like me and you think it'll be a good thing to film certain videos, like smaller videos, not day-long expeditions, but you know, small shortcuts, then yeah, this is definitely a good thing to come to. I will be filming a couple videos later, style a couple video tests. I don't know if I'm gonna upload those or something today. But you're probably asking me, does it replace the Hero 3? No, it doesn't replace the Hero 3. I'll do a comparison. I'll just throw this out there right now. The Hero 3 is a really good camera for filming bigger videos, since this one costs a lot more money in a day. But for small like videos, like short little vlogs and stuff, this camera will definitely do the trick. So yeah, I will be doing a more in-depth comparison between this and Hero 3 White. But for right now, I will say that this camera is a really good thing to come to. And so far, my outbox review, my final thoughts on this thing is it's a really good camera. It just for its price and for its build, I wouldn't say it's good to use it as your main GoPro. So if you're like me, you have a few cameras, you have to film all kinds of things in your free time or for a YouTube job, this is a good thing to come to for small videos, not for huge video outtakes or vlogs. So, with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out more of my video reviews. And yeah, don't forget to peace out.